Another Turkish Dragon is a family of armored vehicles produced by Turkish company Euromakina. It consists of two versions, which is 4x4 and 6x6. Yalçın 4x4 armored combat vehicle. Design studies on the vehicle were initiated in the last quarter of 2012, and a pre-prototype of the base vehicle was exhibited at the IDEF in 2013. Mass production of the vehicle began in May 2014. It features a V-shaped hull design, integrating floating floor plates and blast mitigation seating to provide protection against mines and IEDs. It can accommodate up to 11 personnel and can carry a payload of up to 4 tons. The vehicle is equipped with optionally integrated, remote-controlled and manually operated weapon stations. It is fitted with 2 gun ports on the roof. The optional armament mounted on the vehicle includes 7.62mm and 12.7mm machine guns, a 25mm anti-aircraft gun and a 40mm automatic grenade launcher. Versions: Eder 6x6 armored combat vehicle, Eder Yalçın 4x4 armored combat vehicle. Both vehicles can be configured to be used in a variety of roles, including personnel carrier, reconnaissance, nuclear, biological and chemical warfare, fire support, ATGM carrier, IFV mortar, command recovery, medical evacuation, engineering operators. Eder 6x6 current operators: Georgia 90, Eder Yalçın 4x4 current operators, Hungary 10 to 40 more on order. A derivative of this vehicle is planned to be put into production in Hungary, known as Gidron 4x4 armored vehicle, Senegal, National Gendarmerie 25. Purchased in February 2018. First delivery is expected in March 2018. Morocco has expressed interest to purchase the Yalçın. Tunisia 71, Turkey 400, Uzbekistan 1024 on order, Qatar 342 on order. Future operators: Bosnia 45.
Zalimlerin korkulu rüyası, İnandığı yolda gider, yıllardır beklenen lider Recep Tayyip Erdoğan. İnandığı yolda gider, yıllardır beklenen lider Recep Tayyip Erdoğan.